Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, me and Jackie and there we are take off the roof of the Coop, chicken coop. So we have a re-roof. We have some material there. So that's the task for today. So we take off the old zinc, the old lad, and replace them. So just watch what I go on. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, we take off the quarter of the side already. All of this side is removed. This is the middle section. And this section now can reach about halfway, lifting it. So as soon as you go outside, I'm going to lift up the tail end and I'm going to just come and have the zinc and trim. Then we finish. Then the next task now is to replace these lads. So most of these lads, all are going to be replaced. So that's the next round of work, you know. Yeah, man. Stay tuned and watch where I go on. Yes, I am. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what we have done so far. We put on approximately 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets of zinc so far. So we have that remainder to do down there. But things have been going good so far, very smooth. Yeah. So we'll soon show you where I go on again. Right, Jacket?
Yes, sir.
Come in. Ready again? Yeah. Again. Alright, people, show them your work. Very impressive work. Enough people ain't know from your Captain. Captain Tamaki! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, ladies and gentlemen, we finished now. It's about midday. So, what we did now is to put back the old flashing at the top, because we're not going to put on the brand new flashing just yet, because we still have the opposite side over there to replace. So, next Saturday we're going to come back. We don't want to stress ourselves because we have work during the week. So, next Saturday we'll come back and we take off the next side and fit it. So that's basically it. Thank you very much, guys. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, Home and Garden Fix and Tricks. So these are the old sheets, some of them that we remove. Yeah. So the next task now is to set up back the gutter, and we're in business. I'll just give you a shot from underneath. See on the inside here. It looks very good, neat.